Our finishing veil is the final piece to having our flawless canvas. It's a camera-ready product that blends everything together, leaving a really gorgeous, soft focus finish to your skin. And as with all of our powder products, we're going to be working out of the lid of the product jar again. And we're going to be using our triple milled kabuki brush. Making sure your brush picks up the product and it's not just sitting on the surface of the bristles, it gets into them. Now begin to apply a light layer over the top of your makeup. Adding a little more to my lid, I repeat that process. Making sure I go down my neck and my décolletage. My canvas is now finished and I can begin adding colour.